And today we're going to be checking out the Fresh Australian Kitchen pre-seasoned 12-inch cast iron skillet. Now for me, a cast iron skillet is a staple, and that's why I took this product to review, because I didn't have one and I needed one. These are going to be great for just cooking everyday meals on the stove, but they're also great for baking. I do remember growing up and my mom using this to make things like cornbread, along with cooking our breakfast and eggs and gravies and things like that. So very, very cool. Let's point the camera down. We're going to open this up and see what all we get inside. All right. Now what's good about it being pre-seasoned is you don't have to do the coating it with oil and heating it up, because somebody's already done that for us. And check out this thing right here. Now I know there's not a whole lot to say about cast iron skillets because it's just a cast iron skillet. But with this skillet, you will get a lifetime guarantee. And what's also a good pro to using a cast iron skillet is if you properly take care of your skillet, it truly becomes a non-stick surface if you know how to prep it whenever you go to cook on it. And the harsh reality of using things like Teflon is the Teflon flakes off and you end up eating it. You're not going to have that concern with this. If this gets too hot, it's not going to fume any type of dangerous fumes or toxins, like say from Teflon or plastic handles or anything like that. So sometimes the old way is the better way. So some of the quick features that this skillet is going to offer is it does have a thickened base, which is going to give you a more even cooking surface and a more even browning surface. You do have these nice pour spouts on both sides, so if you're pouring out grease or gravies, it's not going to run down all over the place and make a huge mess. You do have the hanging hole right here on the handle. You also have a handle on this side as well. Now these skillets can be used on stoves, they can be used on ovens, they can be used on open flames. A cast iron skillet's probably going to last you the rest of your life. It's buy one and you're done usually. And it's nice to have a multiple use type of cookware in the home, because if you wanted to cook over a fire outside, if you want to put this on your flat top grill, if you wanted to put it on top of your barbecue pit, you can cook in pretty much any situation with this skillet. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.